At ARKANCE, we are driven by our vision to collaborate with our customers and partners. Our mission is to provide world-class services and solutions to enhance and empower to build, design, and solve problems through technology. Let's go to Studio Symbiosis, where design meets sustainability, and explore some of their projects.
When we started Studio Symbiosis, the idea was to create performance-driven design, and the idea is to integrate everything in terms of architecture, form, function, aesthetics, structure, MEP into one integrated design element. Also, the design parameters change and the scale changes, but the design ideology stays the same. So it's about a holistic approach where everything is looked as a whole, and then the best solution which comes out is implemented in the design.
We started Studio Symbiosis with the goal of creating performance-driven architecture. We purposely named Studio Symbiosis not according to any personal name, but symbiosis, how it integrates with its surrounding, with technology, with environment, with topography and materiality. Our vision is to be at the forefront of technology and construction. Currently, we have 4 offices in Germany, London, Delhi and Mumbai.
This is a very interesting project for us, which we started a couple of years ago. In terms of the architecture of the place, we want to create a fusion of architecture in Hilton Kathmandu, which is essentially to take the prayer flags of Nepal and integrate them as vertical dichroic glass. What this enabled us to do is to create a symphony between architecture and the surroundings, which is Nepal and the context and the history. Right now, if I'm not mistaken, Hilton Kathmandu is the highest occupied building in Kathmandu. For us, one of the challenges was to really create an immediate occupancy building. It's in earthquake zone 5, so we had to look at measures in terms of structure, facade, engineering. This project we took into Revit almost 8 years ago, and then we did mock-ups of this also to see how this glass behaves when the earthquake force hits it.
Studio Symbiosis excels in both world-class buildings and products. Unlike the large-scale Hilton, Verto focuses on adaptability. It's a modular air purifier tailored for urban environment.
The motivation to develop Verto came from the fact that we are all exposed to much higher air pollution levels than the WHO organization states to be safe. Air pollution is globally a very large challenge. Verto's name is derived from the Latin vertere, which means to turn. So Verto turns when it rises, and by turning it's cleaning the air of its environment. We developed the first prototype in Sundar Nursery Park, in a public park in New Delhi, on our own initiative, and after that we built up one in Mumbai and in Lucknow, and one is ongoing now in Varanasi. We developed Verto as a plug-and-play product, so it is easily assembled and easily to be built up, and also very lightweight that they can easily ship it abroad. We are also in conversation with several countries globally, like Kazakhstan and Dhaka, also Dubai. 2 years ago, ARKANCE provided us a very intense workshop, which we did together to improve our skills and knowledge and Revit families. With ARKANCE, it's a true partnership which helped us to raise to new levels and improve our overall performance.
To learn a tech, we also need to have a support system, for which I was in discussion with ARKANCE since before, and actually they are the ones who proposed to me, Amit, why don't you move into BIM now? Once we moved into Revit in this BIM platform, and we moved on to ACC. So the idea was to really have this collaborative workflow between the 4 offices which we have. We got familiarized with BIM around 18 years ago. As architects, we cannot work in isolation. We need our consultants and clients to be also BIM ready. So one major shift has happened in India is that in the last 4-5 years, a lot of these consultants have also moved into BIM. The particular stakeholder knows what it is and they can update it. So it has become really live. And of course, the very basic thing which everyone speaks about, 2D to 3D. This is the fundamental of BIM, that you don't have to do 2D drawing separately. Also, when we were really looking to become BIM compliant in the office, we reached out to ARKANCE to give us BIM training. And in this entire setup, they trained our architects in BIM and also gave a support system for this. There were a couple of people who were using Revit and BIM in the office, but the idea was to really expand the knowledge and the workflow throughout the office. So this is where ARKANCE really became another part of Symbiosis, an extension of the office. And very seamlessly we were dealing with this new software and mass integration into the suite.
That's where BIM technology excels. It enables detailed simulations and iterative designs, empowering architects like Amit and Britta to tackle structural complexities while pushing aesthetic boundaries. It's this commitment to innovation and excellence that has earned Verto awards like Red Dot and German Innovation Award. It's the testament to the power of thoughtful and purpose-driven design.